What nipple care methods prevent dryness and cracking in winter?
So my favorite one's actually just going to be normal, regular, old run-of-the-mill olive oil. The same stuff that's in your kitchen. I recommend putting it in a little travel spray bottle like what you get at the toiletry aisle at Walmart or Target, and use that on your nipples. Nipples are like lips. If you're needing to put chapstick on your lips to keep your lips hydrated, your nipples probably need a little bit of TLC in order to accommodate the friction of nursing and pumping. When we are nursing, our baby's saliva actually acts as the lubricant to help protect that tissue. So we don't see a lot of, dry nipples as a result of primarily nursing, unless you're somebody who's just prone to dry skin in the winter anyway. But for pumping moms, we definitely do see an uptick in dry nipples. And then what we'll see secondary to that is more cracks and cuts, unrelated to anything with how the pump was being used or flanchizing or bra fit or something that's really easy to adjust. It's just our nipples are like our lips. They like to be hydrated. So spraying oil on after you get done pumping can help. Some people prefer to use a nipple cream. As long as it doesn't have lanolin in it, we don't really have a lot of concerns for that. But make sure that you see that it is still, your nipple should still be hydrated 2 to 3 hours after you apply the cream. And then you can always apply a breast pad over top of that to help moderate that hydration a little bit more.